Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And for today's video, we're just going to be trying out some new products and reviewing it. To start off, you're gonna need 2 eggs, any deep conditioner you have at home. I purchased the Bio-Keratin, and that's what I'm using today. The minerals oil, which I love, is the line Africa. If you haven't gotten it, you need to. And then I have some of my hair growth oil if you haven't purchased that, and if you want some, please let me know. I will leave everything down below. And I always incorporate the Indian healing clay into the mask to detoxify my hair, because I usually co-wash. I tend to stay away from shampoos. Lately, I've been trying some new stuff, and I've gotten my hands on this Lucetta coconut milk conditioner. Y'all, it's got some slip, and like I'm talking about, you cannot go wrong with this, and I think it's one of my favorite conditioners now. The products that I'm currently using for the deep conditioner are a 10 out of 10 for me. If you don't know, Bio-Keratin has a lot of deep conditioners in their line, but this one is anti-breakage. So you know what I had to do is get my hands on it for cheap at Marshall's. I go ahead and pour a generous amount of every product that I have, just because I want the best results. Simple as that. The Africa mineral oil is more like an essential oil for me because it smells really good. I would say go easy on it because you'll smell like a bottle of perfume. And we can't forget my hair growth oil because my hair absolutely loves it. And for a very long time, I've been incorporating it in my DIYs products and stuff. And I could tell you, my hair been growing. Go check them videos.
This right here is my favorite thing ever. In the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long.
I like to stir it with my hands, but what I've realized is that mine becoming all clumpy, and maybe I need to get a strainer so I can strain it, because up here I don't have a strainer yet, y'all. So don't judge me. But if I were you, I would mix it really thoroughly so you don't have any clumps. If for some reason you make this and you don't use it, put it in the fridge. You can use it later, okay? But if you don't put it in the fridge, the eggs is gonna rotten. I'm starting on blowout hair because I wanted to blow it out so it's easy to maintain for the week. So don't judge me. It doesn't have any heat like flatten iron. I apply a generous amount everywhere, especially my scalp, because I know it's dry and I need to detoxify my roots. I just drag it down to the ends of my hair so it can go every strand, because my hair is growing really long. I don't like to miss one strand. I prefer to do this process in steps because it makes it easier for me to coat every strand. As I'm applying the deep conditioner, I like to detangle my hair in the process. I just finger detangle lightly just so I am not breaking my hair while I put a comb through it.
If we break up, I won't be with no one else. I keep on asking why we work out.
Of course, I can't forget my eyebrows. I always coat my eyebrows in a thick layer of my deep conditioner. I usually leave it up for 30 minutes to about 6 hours. sometimes 13 hours depending on how busy my day is, but don't be like me, wash it off.
Será que é possível? Será que é verdade? Será que é mentira?
I'm using a detangler brush that I got for really cheap in Cape Verde. It was probably about $3 maybe in US dollars. Y'all, this is called the Swissco brush. Of course, we can't forget the coconut milk conditioner by Lucetta. And I can't say that I don't love this. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. As part of our new product review, I just stumbled upon this at Marshall's. Like I said, that whole package, I only got it for $7.99. This video is not sponsored. I wish they called me and sponsored me. So Marshall's, Lucetta, if you're listening, please sponsor me because I love your product. To style, I start on wet hair and I just go ahead and apply my hair growth oil all over my scalp and just give myself a light massage. And of course, can't forget the eyebrows. For my leave-in, I'm just using the Camille leave-in conditioner. You can purchase this at Family Dollar. It's really cheap, about $7.99 depending on your location. For my gel, I'm going in with Miss Jessie's No Suds. I know this is a shampoo, but I was trying it as a gel. Look at the definition. Look at the bright side of this. What was I thinking? And of course, this is a truth moment. I shed. I go section by section. Once I've applied all my products, I like to just let my hair air dry. I could diffuse it or blow dry it, but I think just natural weather is fine for it. To be honest, it wasn't my intentions to use the shampoo as a gel, but it came out alright. In the future, I would probably try it with the gel. That is it for the product review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, share it with a friend. Don't be stingy. If you have any video suggestions, don't forget to comment down below. And I'll see you guys on my next video.